In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture on Meta Business Suite. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look out for, so you can update your business's visual identity in just a few minutes. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. You can do this by typing business.facebook.com into the address bar and logging into the account that manages your business. Make sure you're in the correct business portfolio if you have access to multiple businesses, because the profile picture you're about to change is tied to that specific business. Once Meta Business Suite has loaded, look for the main navigation area and click on Settings. This is usually found in the left-hand side menu. If you don't see it straight away, scroll down a little until you spot the Settings option, then click it to open the Settings panel. Inside Settings, you'll see a list of different sections on the left-hand side. Find and click on Business Info. This is where Meta stores all the key details about your business, including its name, contact information, and the profile or portfolio picture. At the very top of the business info page, you should see a section labeled something like Business Portfolio Info, along with your business name and current profile image. Next to your business name and profile, there will be an Edit option. Click on Edit to open the editing view for your business profile details. In this editing view, look for the option that says Edit Portfolio Picture. This is the control that lets you change the image associated with your business. Go ahead and click on Edit Portfolio Picture. A small window or dialog will pop up, prompting you to choose a new image. Click on the button that says Choose File on your device. This will open your computer's File Explorer or Finder window. Navigate to the folder where your new logo or profile picture is saved. Select the file and confirm. For best results, choose a clear, high-resolution image that looks good in a square or circular crop. Once you've selected the file, you'll be taken back to the Meta Business Suite window and you should see a preview of the new picture. When you're happy with it, click on Submit to upload the image. Finally, to make sure your changes are applied, click on Save. After saving, your new profile picture will be updated across Meta Business Suite and will represent your business wherever that portfolio image is used.